Greetings. This is Paul Wachtel. I would like to invite you to join me on Friday, February 2nd, for an online seminar that will explore how our patients or clients can come not just to know themselves more, but to experience, and especially important, to accept and reappropriate the parts of themselves that they've disowned. The feelings and thoughts, the deep aspirations that they've come to feel afraid of or to be ashamed of. And we will look at how we can help them to reclaim those parts of themselves and make them a full part of their life. I've been exploring and writing about the integration of different therapeutic approaches for many years. I was one of the founders of the Society for the Exploration of Psychotherapy Integration. And for many years, I've taught integrative psychotherapy in the PhD program at the City University of New York. I'd like very much to share the fruits of those explorations with you. We will look at how we can actually put together the best parts of relational psychoanalytic therapies, mindfulness and acceptance-based cognitive behavioral therapies, humanistic and experiential therapeutic approaches, and systemic approaches. And we'll do this all within a coherent clinical synthesis that actually helps our clients to achieve change that is deeper and more enduring. I'm excited about sharing these ideas with you, and I hope you'll join me on Friday, February 2nd from 1 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.